Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna do top 5 bullet lipsticks. Earlier I had done top 5 liquid lipsticks. Lipsticks are of so many different types, so I thought I'll do liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks as well as lip gloss, all three different type of videos. So today I'm gonna do top 5 bullet lipsticks. So I have a couple of lipsticks from drugstore as well as from Highend. So today I'm gonna do both of that. I've done a lot of videos on other products as well, so if you are interested you can watch those videos. I'll put a link in the description below. Top 5 products from drugstore as well as high-end. There you have mixture of both, so you can check it out if you want. And yeah, today's video is going to be top 5 of bullet lipstick. So yeah, let's just start the video. And before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. And this series is almost about to get over, so I want actually to start a different series. So please, if you have any series in mind, please let me know in the comments below. I want some ideas, so I want you guys to help me out, so please let me know in the comments below. Let's just start with the video. So firstly, going on to one of my favorite high-end lipsticks. You might not be surprised. So these are the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipsticks. I think they are one of the best bullet lipsticks in market. No doubt a lot of people have a lot of complaints about her brand. Not all the products are really good, but even I don't like a lot of products from Huda Beauty, but these are very comfortable because I have dry lips and my lips flake a lot. I seriously don't know why, but they do. I use a lot of lip balms, but still they do. And I don't like dry lips which make your lips even drier and it looks really bad on your lips. I seriously hate that. But Huda Beauty's Bullet Matte lipstick is so comfortable. They are matte, but I mean they feel different on your lips. They are matte, they are purely matte, but they are very creamy. I seriously don't know how to explain that, but as you must have already seen, this is the Huda Beauty lipstick. As you can see, if you see it, it looks so matte, but I don't know, it is more of a powdery finish. I honestly feel that way, but they are very comfortable. They are very pigmented. In just one stroke you will have full color payoff, so it is very good. You don't feel anything on your lips. Everybody thinks that people use Huda Beauty products because they want her stuffs for free, but people need to understand sometimes people genuinely like her products. So I'm genuinely telling you that I like her products, and the lipsticks are very comfortable. They are so beautiful. I mean, it is one of my favorite bullet lipsticks. I never had any high-end bullet lipsticks. I always purchased Maybelline, Essence, Wet n Wild. I honestly have many bullet lipsticks that are only from drugstore. I don't have any high-end ones. I have recently purchased a couple from other brands because I wanted to do a review on that, but seriously I love those, and I have I think 7 or 10. I don't have every color and I don't have all the shade ranges because she has come out with a ton of shade ranges. One was more of a rosy pink tones, one was more of a brownie ones, one had a lot of reds, purples and all that. So they have a lot of beautiful shade range if you want to try out that. So in US it is for $25, and here in Dubai it is for around 115 dirhams. So if you want you can check that out, and if you want this on discount you can wait, because usually on her website she keeps on doing sales, so usually her lip products get to up to 50% off. So if you want you can check those out. So actually my favorite one is Interview and El Cinco de Mayo and Anniversary. I mean those three are beautiful shades. As you can see, I have all 5 on my table and I have 2 or 3 rest in my storage behind. So these are the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipstick. So next I have the Laura Mercier's Rouge Essential Silky Cream lipsticks. So these are the silky ones. I have other Laura Mercier lipsticks also, but they are also very comfortable. I have no issue with Laura Mercier products. In general, the entire brand is very good. There is hardly hits or miss from the Laura Mercier brand, so I'm honestly okay with Laura Mercier. And got these lipsticks. It's been a while since I got these lipsticks, and I have 2 shades, L'Orange and Nude Prefer. These are silky lipsticks, and as you can see it is so damn beautiful, and it is very creamy. I mean it is not that even pigmented, but it is very similar actually to the Essence one, the Essence lipsticks. Seriously, they both are so damn similar, even the colors. So actually I love the Laura Mercier one. They are very creamy. They are very more of a shiny lipstick, and they are very comfortable on your lips. See, I'm honestly telling you guys the lipsticks that are comfortable on the lips, because I don't want you guys to waste your money. Even if I buy a high-end lipstick, I usually buy 1 or 2 shades, because I want to try the formula. If I don't like, I don't buy it, and if I like the lipsticks, I can surely buy more of that. But if I buy 10 at once, and if I don't like the formula, it will be wasted. So I actually don't want to do that. This is a silky formula, so it won't actually last on your lips for a very long time. You have to touch up after 6 to 7 hours, but honestly I am okay with that. And my favorite color is actually No Prefer, which I actually watched it for you, and the other shade is L'Orange. This is a beautiful color. I haven't actually used it, but as you can see, it is so glossy. I mean, it looks pretty beautiful. And seriously, I really like Laura Mercier products in general, and I love these lipsticks. So it is a bit pricey than the Huda Beauty ones. So in Dubai it is for, on Sephora it is for 149 dirhams. So I think in Dubai, if you are from Dubai, Sharjah, you can, I think, even find it on unas.com. Even they have, I think, these Laura Mercier ones, because on Sephora website and even on their app, I don't think they have the entire range. I don't know why they do that. They should keep the entire range on the app as well as the website, but I think if you go in store, you might find the entire lipstick range. I really like these. Then recently, a new discovery is the Natasha Denona's nude lipsticks. The entire range is full of nude lipsticks. I mean, now actually I am a big fan of nude lipsticks. Nude lipstick, this is not any bullet lipstick, this is a lip gloss, but still I'm obsessed with nude lipsticks. I don't know why, but I'm very much into nude lipsticks. I seriously don't know why, but I'm loving it. And I have got 2 shades, Judith and Sava. I'll show you how they look. So these are actually the 2 shades which I have. I got one more of a pinky nude and one is more of a brownie nude. So I'll quickly just swatch. So this is the shade Sava. This is more of a pinky nude, and it is very comfortable. I mean, and it is I think the cheapest from the high-end ones which I'm showing you. And then I have the shade Judith, which is more of a caramel brown color, so it will look very pretty. So these are the 2 colors which I like, and I want more of these because they are very beautiful. And she has, I think, 18 shades, and she has a couple of different undertones as well in all these lipsticks. So I'm very sure you can find your perfect nude in the entire range of the nude lipstick, because I think the name is I Need a Nude. So as you can see, this is the packaging, outer packaging. I Need a Nude lipstick. So I think it is very good that now people and brands are coming out with different undertones, because not everyone has the same undertone and not every color suits every skin tone. So I think now brands are doing that and people are appreciating them more. So I think you will find a perfect nude for your skin tone as well. And so it is a creamy lipstick, and honestly, see, I am showing you all the ones which are moisturizing, which will hydrate your lips, and this will hydrate your lips. It is very lightweight, so it will not last you for a very long time, but for 6 to 7 hours it will last you, and you can already touch it up and it doesn't look bad. Even after it fades out, it looks very pretty, and they are very comfortable. And I think you will enjoy the Natasha Denona's lipstick. And from the ones which I have showed you, these are 400 dirhams each, so I think they are cheaper than the Laura Mercier, than the Huda Beauty ones, even than the NARS one, because NARS lipsticks are expensive. Seriously, that is why I haven't actually put those in the top 5 lipsticks, because you can find much cheaper ones and much better ones. No doubt the NARS lipsticks are very good, but they are a bit expensive. So in US it is for $25, and here in Dubai on Sephora it is for 100 dirhams, so you can check it out. I think it is only available on Sephora Middle East website here in Dubai, so you can check that out. I'll put the link of all the websites from where I usually purchase all the products, so I'll put the links all in the description below, so if you want to check those out. I seriously can't speak. So these were all the 3 lipsticks from Highend. Now going on to the drugstore ones, I have a couple which I will show you. Then going on to the drugstore ones, I have 2 actually, but I'll show you a couple of more options as well. Firstly going on to the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks. These are the OG lipsticks of Maybelline. They are very comfortable. They have matte as well as creamy formulas, and I think they are very affordable. So, and I think they have so many colors. I mean, they have so many colors. I mean, like seriously, and even you will find a perfect nude in the Color Sensational lipsticks. And Maybelline is a really good brand for lipsticks, not for eyeshadow palettes. Sorry, but the eyeshadow palettes are really not good. The lipsticks, the mascaras, they are very good, and they are very comfortable, and you will find, I'm very sure you will find a favorite and a pretty good shade for yourself from Maybelline. And seriously, I don't know what else to say, because it's a very good lipstick and I don't have any problem with Maybelline lipstick, so I'm not gonna say because I just want to, but I seriously love those. So in US it is for around $7.50 I think, and here in Dubai it is for around 56 dirhams depending from where you're buying, but I'm telling you the price of the Lifestyle Gulf, it is 56 dirhams. But I don't know why it is so expensive here, because on Nykaa in India, if you are from India, it is for around 300 rupees, and max to max, if they have come out with a different range, it is for around 450-500, but here it is, I don't know why, for 56 dirhams. I'm seriously not sure, but these lipsticks are from Maybelline. So going on to the Essence one, I have a couple of Essence lipsticks. So firstly, these are the creamy ones, and here in Dubai it is for around 11 to 13 dirhams, so affordable. I think you can find it in pharmacies. I'm not sure in which pharmacies, but I'm sure you can find it in pharmacies, and I think mostly in pharmacies, and I think the shop Expressions I had seen. I've never shopped from there, but I've seen these lipsticks in the store Expressions. I'm not sure where you can find those stores, and these are the creamy ones. They are very creamy, very affordable, so good. Creamy lipsticks will not last you on your lips for a very long time, so just keep that in mind. But if you don't have any problem with that, seriously go with the creamy ones, because they will not dry your lips and it will be very comfortable. They have a lot of ranges. They have come out with a new range as well, but I seriously don't know where can I find those. Then I have these matte ones. These are also for 11 or 13 dirhams, but they are matte versions and they have different. Those were the lipsticks from Essence. Then going on to the Wet n Wild one, these are their Color Icon lipsticks. So in Dubai it is actually for 29 dirhams, around 30 dirhams from where you're purchasing. In US it is for $2.99, $3, and usually in US there are a lot of good deals on makeup, so you can find it for a much cheaper price. But I think recently they have come out with a new packaging, because I have these new Wet n Wild lipsticks. They have 2 variations. This is the shiny one and the other one is matte, but the matte shades, the names of the shade is very similar to what the Color Icon lipstick is, so I'm not sure whether they changed the packaging or what, but seriously they are very good. And Wet n Wild is again my favorite drugstore brand. The entire Wet n Wild brand is very good. I don't like their mascaras and I don't like their eyebrow products. Other than that, I think everything is really good and I seriously love those. Even these are for $2.99. I think it is the same lipstick, but I think they have changed the packaging. But I can still see these lipsticks also on their website, so seriously I'm not sure about that. But even these lipsticks are now available on namshi.com. if you are from Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, you can find these on Namshi. So yeah guys, these were all the bullet lipsticks which I seriously love, and I have all the Essence lipsticks because they are very comfortable, and I really like those because I don't have a problem touching up my lipstick after a few hours. I'm totally okay. And seriously, Huda Beauty ones are one of my favorite. Good reasons they are my favorite lipstick. Anyways, these are all my favorite lipsticks. Top 5 bullet lipsticks. I'm sure I tell you in every video it is top 5, but I usually tell you 7 products, 8 products, but I want to give you options, so I do that. So if you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments below. So I can do more of these, and please let me know and give me some kind of ideas. I have actually thought about few ideas, but I just also want to know from you guys what all series you want to see, because I want to start a new series very soon. So please let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please guys, share it with your friends and family, and yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.